Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Roblox-like logo in your display name. Roblox doesn't officially support custom symbols, so we'll use a clever workaround. This involves finding specific Unicode characters that visually resemble the iconic Roblox logo. It's a neat trick that leverages how different platforms render these special symbols, allowing you to personalize your presence without altering your actual username. Let's dive into the details. First, you'll need to discover the right Unicode characters. Head to your preferred search engine and look for terms like Roblox logo Unicode or Roblox symbol character. You're searching for geometric shapes, perhaps a squared plus or similar symbols that mimic the Roblox aesthetic. Once you find a suitable character, carefully copy it. There are thousands of Unicode symbols available, so take your time to pick one that truly stands out and fits your style. Now, let's apply this to your Roblox account. Open the Roblox website or app and navigate to your account settings. Look for the display name section. This is different from your permanent username. Paste the Unicode character you copied directly into this field. Remember, you can only change your display name once every 7 days, so choose wisely. This change will be visible to others in games and on your profile. Finally, a few important considerations. The appearance of your chosen character might look slightly different on various devices or operating systems. Also, this only modifies your display name, not your unique username. Roblox occasionally updates its character filtering, which could potentially impact this method in the future. Always ensure your chosen symbol is appropriate and doesn't violate any community guidelines. Enjoy your personalized display name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.